Hey there, and welcome to This Explainer. I am so glad you're here. You know, you've already made the absolutely fantastic choice to partner with the Cobra Back Foundation, and you are well on your way to equipping your community with some truly vital knowledge. My goal for today? Simple. I'm just going to show you exactly how incredibly easy it is to get your organization all set up.
Okay, let's dive into this. Over the next 90 seconds or so, I'm going to walk you step by step through getting your organization set up on the CBS portal with absolutely zero friction. Honestly, just think of me as a friend sitting right next to you, pointing at the screen and guiding you through the whole shebang so you can get this life-changing knowledge to your members right away.
All right, first things first, just open up your browser and head on over to cobraback.org. From the homepage, you're going to click right on the partnership page, and then just hit that bright Get Started button. A quick contact form is going to pop right up, and you'll just need to drop in the basics, your full name, phone number, and email. Oh, and under the Reason for Contact drop-down menu, just make sure to select Register an Organization. Right below that, in the message field, you get to tell us a little bit about your organization. Just drop in the name, tell us if you're a church, a school, an agency, whatever it might be, plus your specific role and roughly how many members you've got. Then comes the really fun part. Checking the boxes for the exact courses you want to offer. You can pick from financial literacy, de-escalation, home buying, phishing and scam awareness, credit building, safety and compliance, or the influence of groups. Just select all the ones that apply to your folks, and hey, feel free to add any specific instructions for the CBF team right there in that same box.
So once everything looks good to go, just click Send Message. And honestly, that is literally the heaviest lifting you'll ever have to do. From there, a CBF administrator actually receives your form, reviews all your details, and gets to work setting up your portal.
And don't worry, you are not going to be waiting around wondering what happened to your application. A real live CBFS administrator will review your submission and get back to you within a maximum of 48 hours. Yep, 48 hours. It is an incredibly fast turnaround to get you the green light and keep things totally frictionless. Once you are officially approved, just keep an eye on your inbox for a welcome email. This is super important because it contains your unique referral codes, one for every single course you selected. From here, you actually have total flexibility. You can either share these codes directly with your members so they can hop on and register themselves, or if you prefer, you can just manually add them yourself directly from your brand new admin panel. And this brilliantly illustrates one of the absolute best parts. You are in complete financial control. There are zero upfront costs, none. You only pay when you are completely ready to approve a member for a specific course. So whether it's a brand new member joining up for the first time or an existing member who's just adding a new subject to their roster, you're always in the driver's seat. You only pay per member per course right exactly when you approve them. Now, once your members actually start taking the courses, your admin portal dashboard lets you monitor everyone's progress in real time. It's like a central command station where you can track course completions and the certificates earned across your entire organization. And please remember, the CBF team is with you every single step of the way. If you ever, have a question or just need a helping hand, reach out via the contact page at cobraback.org and we will get right back to you. You are never, ever left on your own here. So as we've seen today, getting set up is incredibly straightforward, totally risk-free, and leaves you with complete control. You've got all the tools and all the support you need right at your fingertips to make a very real difference in your community. So what does this all mean for you right now? Well, it means you're ready. Are you ready to empower your members with life-changing knowledge? Head over to cobraback.org right now and let's get started.